Best wishes to all. In view of International Yoga Day on 21st June, we are all gearing up for celebrating the International Yoga Day. In view of COVID-19, we cannot have a large gatherings to commemorate this International Yoga Day. We have to send these messages across the people to know about the benefits of the yoga to control the COVID-19. I, being the professor in the community medicine department and as a public health person, I want to bring about some issues regarding the yoga and also the COVID-19. COVID-19 placed a very big challenges to the mankind. The whole world is suffering from the COVID-19 and lot of emotions and lot of social problems it is being created. Man is being a social animal and now it is the hour of having the social distancing and it is very difficult to digest as a social animal and so he has to be in isolation. So when he is in isolation, there are many changes that takes place maybe in the mind and also in the body and that it affects the mental status of the person. To fight with this COVID-19, the yoga plays a very important role and by practicing some of the asanas so that you can have a good mental balance and also the body also can be maintained in a good manner. So let us talk about the importance of yoga in controlling this COVID-19 pandemic. As I already told, so the man is in now to have the social distancing and thereby you will have a lot of stress on the mental status. So this mental status, it may be a anxiety, it may be a depression or it may be some other stress. It can affect the body, so that is called as psychosomatic disorders. To avoid that, so when it affects the mind, indirectly it affects the organs in the body. So you should have a balance between the mind and the body. So the yoga only can provide this balance between the yoga and between the body and the mind. So how to have this kind of the balance between the mind and the body? As I was a practitioner of yoga, I do yoga every day for 1 hour. I do pranayama, I do meditation, and also I do the Surya Namaskar 108 cycles every day. I spend about 45 minutes for Surya Namaskara and after for many years. Now I am getting the benefits of the Surya Namaskara, how it shapes the mind and how is the body will be healthy. So all those things. As you all know, the abdominal organs play a very important role when it comes to the psychosomatic diseases. When the mind directly influences the organs like the pancreas or the kidney or the heart, so it will have an effect on the organs. So thereby the psychosomatic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, all those things will be occurring. So to prevent that, so when you have that yoga in the form of Surya Namaskara, so it is a very good yoga for all the internal organs. So it is not only it is a meditation, it is a pranayama, and it is a exercise for the body, and also it is exercise for the organs in the body, so that all those organs work in perfect synchronization with the mind, so that all these diseases can be prevented. And especially as far as the COVID is concerned, these respiratory problems, whoever is having the respiratory problems, so those will be benefited by the pranayama, and it will strengthen the respiratory system as well as the cardiovascular system, so that you have a very good coordination and healthy mind. So with that, I strongly recommend the yoga for this control of the COVID-19 pandemic, and so that we'll have a healthy mind, healthy body, and in turn we have the healthy population. So as a public person, my message to the public is to that, because you will be staying most of the times in the social distancing, social isolation, so you have time to practice at least some of the yogasanas, not all the yogasanas. Some yogasanas you can practice whatever you want to practice, like you can have simple start with the simple things like meditation or the pranayama or the some asanas, whichever you are comfortable with that. Spend at least half an hour or 45 minutes every day on the yoga, so it will in the long run or also in the immediate effect. So we have the you can prevent all these the mental stress and also the body functions. So that is the need of the hour. So we have to practice the yoga daily, on the daily basis, so that we can control the pandemic, and also effects coming out of that pandemic can be controlled. Thank you.